Welcome to Curious Jesse. As you can see, today I'm here with a card by Federal Bank, and this is a OneCard and anyone can get it. It is similar to Slice but a little bit different also. So different types of offers and we're unboxing it. So what are the things that I'll be getting inside? Let's check it out. Well, I'll give you the link below, and with few clicks and Aadhaar and PAN verification, you can get this card at your home delivered within 2 days and enjoy the EMI providing by this card. Oh, after deep packaging, I found my card. Here it is. And I'll just pick it up. Let me check. Oh, it's too heavy. Hey guys, it's a metallic card. You'll be getting a metallic card. It's quite heavy, as you can just see. Or when you will be getting it, you will be feeling that it is quite heavy. Well, in the app, first it will be activated, but to activate your card, you need to scan this QR code provided in the package of the card in your app to activate the card. And these are the formalities, documentations and all that you need to go through a little bit. It's just basic formalities and some terms and conditions, the offers providing by the banks and with the card. Allow me to give you a tour of the OneCard application. Here it is. So far I have spent around 500, and using this application I can track whatever purchase that I have done. I have bought some grocers, I have paid some pharma thing. Here the points are getting accumulated in the points available. Now what are the benefits that we're getting? Instant cashback in a form of points. So every 50 rupees if you spend, you'll get 1 point. The points will not expire ever. It's similar to Flipkart Super Points. So waiving of the fuel surcharge is there, and this card is free forever with no annual charges. This is the best thing. So what are the offers also available, which is going to be switching on monthly basis as well as also weekly basis sometimes. So there are many types of offers that you can avail. So here the points that are getting accumulated, you can check. So how to use the points? You can even use the points as cash while paying the credit card bill, as well as you can use it to buy some different items. So here's my cashback points that is yet to be get credited. Now some bonuses, some other things, referrals and all, everything is there. Now if I'll leave something for you in the description below, if you sign it up, you'll get 2000 points for my referral code. The best thing is that your bill is going to be split into 3 months and you'll get a 0% 3 months EMI for free. So what are you waiting for? What's restricting you from signing up from the referral code down below? Check it out.